Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials to simplify your scheduling. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your working hours in Calendly. Whether you're adjusting to a new routine or just need more flexibility, this guide will make it quick and simple. Start by heading to your Calendly homepage. On the left side of the screen, click the Availability tab. This is where you can set and customize your schedule. Here you'll see your daily and weekly working hours. Click on any time slots you want to adjust, then enter the new hours that best fit your schedule. Once you've made your changes, hit save. Calendly automatically updates your schedule, so there's no extra step needed. Take a moment to double check your new hours to make sure everything looks correct. If needed, you can repeat these steps to make further adjustments. And that's it. Your working hours are now updated, giving you full control over your availability. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Calendly tutorials.